The Quandis bankruptcy search platform is a powerful yet intuitive tool that can be used to perform pacer searches by utilizing a simple two-step process. First, users can specify search preferences for the upload file. Then, users upload a file using the drag and drop interface. To begin, users log in to QBS and are directed to the main dashboard where they can begin the two-step process. On step 1, users can specify their upload settings by selecting either a one-time search or a repeating search. One-time, or ad hoc, searching allows for the upload and processing of a single file. A repeating search will process the same borrowers multiple times. This is also known as bankruptcy monitoring. Users can upload their spreadsheet to begin the search process. Most spreadsheets are broken down into the following columns: source reference number, which is either a case key or a loan number, first and last name, middle name, social security number, and address. While each column is required, not every row requires a value. Search logic can cascade to secondary fields if values don't exist in primary fields. For example, if the social security number is not available, QBS will utilize the contact's name and address to perform an SSN lookup. In step 1, users can determine several options, including whether a search screenshot should be provided with the results. The search screenshot is an image of search criteria used during the search and provides additional due diligence when necessary. Turn time can be specified when the search should be processed in an expedited fashion. If SSNs are unavailable, QBS can utilize the SSN lookup feature to perform a skip trace on the subject. QBS can also search with and without middle names to increase accuracy and due diligence. Regional and docket data can be searched for all bankruptcies, no bankruptcies, or simply open cases only. The ability to search for additional data on open cases only is a cost-effective way to limit searching. Pacer images, also referred to as documents or certificates, can be grouped on a per bankruptcy basis or per contact. Some searches can return multiple bankruptcies from a single borrower. QBS can limit the amount of subsequent data being searched using thresholds. Thresholds are used to ensure search content is not diluted and to minimize search costs. Naming pattern applies to the file name format for the certificates which are generated and packaged in a downloadable zip file. Naming patterns are adjustable to accommodate automated file consumption using file watcher tools. The Notify dropdown confirms which users can be notified by way of email when the file is processed and completed. The begin searching date is the date the user wants the search to start. Once all settings have been confirmed, the spreadsheet can be uploaded in step 2. The Summary tab shows recent files. Selecting a file will direct the user to its primary summary page, which provides a breakdown of search results. The Summary panel shows the name of the file, the company that uploaded it, as well as the status and upload date. The Contacts panel shows statistics based on a variety of fields: how many contacts were imported, how many required a SSN search, how many were skipped due to thresholds, what was searchable, and if any failed to import. Selecting a number under one of the columns will provide a second panel of relevant information. If the number under Contacts Imported was selected, the Contacts tab will show a list of contacts that were originally imported. On the Contacts tab, users have the ability to filter data by specifying additional criteria in each of the search boxes. Some names may have aliases that generate multiple results, which could or could not be located. This information is available in the Contacts Lookups column. If a name has multiple results, a number will appear in their row in the Contacts panel. Selecting the number will provide a more detailed description in their row. Selecting the number under Searchable Contacts will show the total number of contacts that were scrubbed. The Search Cycles panel provides an extensive breakdown of the searches. This panel has columns that include open and closed bankruptcies, searches that were not found, as well as bankruptcies that have an active, dismissed, or discharged status. Selecting a number under a column in the Search Cycles panel redraws the Contacts tab by filtering data on the chosen status. Hovering over a result in the Contacts tab will provide additional information such as their bankruptcy status and filed as name. Searches can also be filtered through the Status and Bankruptcy Status drop-downs. Certificates are available in the Certificate column. The certificate shows the contact's name, bankruptcy status, case summary, and any subsequent regional or docket data searched. Selecting the Documents tab will provide a list of documents generated based on the settings and search results of the imported file. The Pacer Response Transform file is an Excel-based file that has multiple tabs. The Roll-Up Item tab shows the search results by status. The Contact Item tab breaks down the results by contact, whereas the Bankruptcy Item tab shows the results by types of bankruptcies. The Bankruptcy Contact Item tab sorts and matches the contacts with their respective bankruptcies. The Bankruptcy Alias Item and Docket Item tabs are also available, showing information based on the criteria determined in Step 1. A zip file is also generated in the Documents tab, providing the complete package of all certificates associated with the search. By default, each document within the zip file is titled by its case key, followed by the first and last name of the contact. This file name format can be customized for each search to match your needs. The Messages tab can show any internal messages as well as email notifications that were sent out. If a notification was set in the Notified dropdown on Step 1, the Message tab will show the email notification that was sent. The email notification shows the batch ID, a summary of the search results, and notification recipients. Searching and managing bankruptcies has never been easier with QBS. With its easy-to-use upload feature and intuitive dashboard, the Quandis Bankruptcy Search Platform is the ultimate solution provided for Pacer searches.